This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 10, and we were discussing about mensuration. This is the fifth part of the video. So the first sum of discussion today is as follows. We have a given figure which shows a solid trophy which is made of a shining glass. If 1 cubic centimeter of the glass is costing rupees 0.75, we need to find out the glass for making the trophy. We need to find the cost of the glass. So we know that the edge is 28 centimeter as it's given. So your radius will be 28 by 2. Height is given 28 again. So volume is edge cube plus pi r square h, that is the volume of the cube plus the volume of cylinder. So volume of cube is h cube and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So when you put the formulas, you get 39,200 centimeter cube as the volume. Now we know that the cost of 1 cubic centimeter is 0.75. So the total cost of the trophy or the total cost of the glass for making the trophy will be 39,200, which is the volume of the entire trophy, into the price of each cubic centimeter of glass is 0.75. So it comes to rupees 29,400. Next question. 16 glassware, each of radius 2 cm, are packed in a cuboidal box of internal dimensions of 16 cm into 10 into 8 cm into 8 cm. That means your length, breadth and height. And then the box is filled with water. Find the volume of the water filled in the box. So we know that the radius given is 2 cm. So the volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, comes to 704 by 21. Now volume of the 16 glass spheres. Now if one glass sphere is this much, so 16 will be, you need to multiply it with 16, you get 536.38 centimeter cube. Now we know that the volume of the water filled in the box, we need to find out that. So volume of the entire box is 16 into 8 into 8. That means we need to find out the volume. You need to multiply all these three minus the volume of the glass spheres that is there. So this comes to your 487.62. So volume of the we need to find the volume of the water that is filled in the box will be your volume of the cuboidal box minus the volume of the 16 glass sphere. So the volume of 16 glass sphere is 536.38 and the volume of the box is 1024 centimeter cube. So that when you subtract, you get 487.62 centimeter cube is the amount of water that is filled in the box. A wooden article was made by scooping out hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base is of radius 3.5, find the total surface area of the article. So you have a cylinder and on both the ends you have hemisphere which is within the cylinder. Now height of the cylinder we know is 10 cm and radius is 3.5. So your total surface area will be curved surface of the cylinder plus curved surface of the hemisphere, because they have stated that from each end there has been a scooping out of a hemisphere. That means we have two hemisphere, so we need to multiply it by 2. So the curved surface area of hemisphere will be multiplied into 2. Now your formula is like this. So you just have to put the values within the formula and you get the answer, 374 centimeter square. Next question. From a solid cylinder of height 30 cm and radius 7 cm, a conical cavity of height 24 cm and base of 7 cm is drilled out. Find the volume and the total surface area of the remaining solid. Now this is a cylinder which is having the height of 30 cm and radius is 7 cm. Now they have carved out a cone which is of a height 24 cm and radius is 7 cm. That means this much portion has been taken out. Okay, so we need to find out what is the volume and the total surface area of the remaining solid. So we need to find out the volume of the cylinder, then volume of the cone, and then whatever is the remaining that we can find out by subtracting both the values. So we need to find out the volume of remaining solid, we need to subtract volume of cone from the volume of cylinder. So I have taken your radius of cylinder as R1 and radius of cone as R2. Height of the cylinder is H1 and height of the cone is H2. So we know the formulas. Once you apply them, you get 388 centimeters square. That means this is the portion of the volume that is left over after carving out the cone from the cylinder. Coming to the second part of the question, in the previous when we were finding out the volume, we had actually subtracted the volume of cone from the volume of cylinder. But now we should remember that when we are finding the surface area, the surface of the cone has now become the face, or you can say the surface of the cylinder. So we need to find out the surface area of the remaining part. That means the surface area of the cone is now actually the part of it is actually the surface area of the remaining part, so that has to be added to the total surface. Now we know that the formula for surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh, that will remain as normal, and then we have pi r square because we have a circular base. Then we need to find out the surface area of the cone as well, so you get pi rl. Now once you put the formula, you get 2024 centimeters square as your answer. Remember, the portion of cone that has been carved out from the cylinder has now become the surface, because that's an open space, that's a surface now, because the entire thing has been taken out. So the remaining portion, it's become the surface of the figure that we are discussing. So this is all we have from the video. In the next video, we'll continue with the exercise. Thank you.